Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Malhotra's IAS Academy. In continuation with our series Place in News, here I am with yet another video. My name is Vivek Sharma and I will be guiding you about how to pick news article from The Hindu for your map based question. So the first article is Houthi strikes on Yemen base, Israel strikes Gaza after balloon attack. So both the questions, or you can say articles, were from West Asia. If you ever gone through previous year questions, especially the prelims question, you might be knowing that this fact that UPSC has a special place for West Asia. Frequently every year, or you can say every 2 to 3 years, we have questions, map based question from West Asia. So let's discuss this area and see what all we have to remember. First we gonna see the political map of this area. For example, what are the all countries located in this area, starting from Georgia in the north, Armenia, then Azerbaijan, then Turkey, then Syria, then Iraq, then Iran, then we have Lebanon, then Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, then we have Egypt, then we have Saudi, then we have over here Bahrain, then we have Qatar, then UAE, then this is your Oman, and this is your Yemen. So these are the important countries which are located in West Asia, starting from the south, Oman, Yemen, UAE, Saudi, this is your Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, then your Jordan, then your Egypt, Israel, Lebanon, then your Syria, Iraq, Iran, we have covered Kuwait, I hope, then Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkey, Georgia. So you can arrange now these countries from north to south, south to north. Now we have important fact that we have to remember the capitals like Ankara, like Tbilisi, then Baku. These are the capitals which you should look upon, because UPSC has this habit that they can say you arrange the following capital from north to south, south to north, or east to west, west to east. So this is very important for you to remember the location of the capitals. As you learn the country, you have to remember the capitals also. Now let's move about the second thing which we have to remember. What are the important water bodies located in this area? Number one, Caspian Sea in the north, then Black Sea, then this is like your European Turkey and this is your Asian Turkey. In between them is Sea of Marmara, then your Aegean Sea, then your Mediterranean Sea, then this is your Red Sea, this is Gulf of Aden, this is Arabian Sea, this is Gulf of Oman, and this is Persian Gulf. So these are the important water bodies, starting from Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Sea of Marmara, Aegean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, then your Red Sea, then your Gulf of Aden, then your Arabian Sea, Gulf of Oman, and Persian Gulf. These are the important water bodies located around West Asia. Now let's see what are the important straits located in this area. So number one, here we have Bosphorus Strait, here we have Strait of Dardanelles, then we have Suez Canal, here we have Strait of Bab al-Mandab, and here we have Strait of Hormuz. Now let's see what all water bodies they connect. The Dardanelles connects Aegean Sea with Sea of Marmara. If we talk about Bosphorus, it connects Marmara, Sea of Marmara with Black Sea. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea, and Strait of Bab al-Mandab connects Red Sea with Gulf of Aden. And if we talk about Sea of Hormuz, connects Persian Gulf with Gulf of Oman. These are the political things and water bodies located around West Asia. Now let's see important geographical locations which you have to remember about West Asia. Starting from the Turkey area, we have to remember a lake called Van Lake. This lake is very salty and one of the most saltiest lake of the world. Then we have to remember a lake between your West Bank, your Israel and Jordan. This is your Dead Sea. river Jordan flows into this, and this area is very important. Frequently question comes from this area. So this is your Jordan area where we have Dead Sea surrounded by West Bank as well as Israel. Now important water bodies, if we talk about rivers, then one has Tigris flowing from your Turkey, passing through your area of this Syria on the border, and then Iraq draining into Persian Gulf. Then we have Euphrates River starting again from this area of Turkey and flowing through Syria and Iraq, draining into your Persian Gulf. So these are the important water bodies, or you can say river. There is one important desert area, that is Rab al Khali in Saudi area, which you have to remember. After that there is one mountain range, here it is Zagros mountain in Iran, which is very important, and we have over here Kopen Dag mountains in Iran bordering with Turkmenistan. So this is very important, you should remember this. And Dashat il Lut area of your, like, it's a desert area, so you have to remember this area when you are answering anything in your prelims. So these are important geographical facts from this area. I hope you can remember these things because they are frequently asked in your UPSC prelims, and I hope I have covered everything related to that. आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. I hope you like this session. Thank you very much.